Hey everybody, it's Yvonne. Um, I'm going to do a quick flip through of my new planner. It looks like a happy planner, but it is not a happy planner. This is a top flight disc bound planner, and honey, they understood the assignment. This thing is gorgeous. We got rose gold discs. We have a nice laminated cover, pockets. It's undated. We have, wait, let me skip the page. Every month has these big note pages here and a cover photo, or a cover image, I should say. Month tabs. Here's your month layout. Got grid, which I love, in the notes section. And here's your weekly, which is huge, and I love these big weekly boxes. Big weekly boxes for the entire week, not small boxes on the weekend. Of course, you get one of those every month, every 4 weeks every month, or maybe 5. And again, this is the beginning of every month. You get this. Here's February's cover art. Here's March, April, and the discs are really nice. They pages turn beautifully. Here's May, June, July, August, September, October, November. I'm in love with November's pattern. I have scrapbook paper that looks like this. And December. So it's pretty much set up just like Happy Planner, but without having to give Happy Planner any of our coins. Now, here is the best part. It came with 4 sheets of stickers, matte, not glossy. We have these rose gold arrows. They're glossy, and these hearts are glossy, and these are glossy, but the rest of these are matte. You have anything with the gold on there, they're a little glossy, but it's not super shiny, which I appreciate. Now, this is what made me buy this. Spring equinox, summer solstice, fall equinox, winter solstice. What? You're trying to tell me they were not just thinking about the Christians, but the Jews, the Jewish people, the Christians, and the pagans. Oh, I said 4 pages of stickers. There's 2 or 3 pages of stickers. I skipped one. There's these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of stickers. And here's the one I skipped. We got drinks, doctor's appointments, nails, bills, And then, after the stickers, we have a nice section of dot grid pages. I didn't count them, but it looks like it's about 20 to 30 pages, maybe more. But this is a nice little chunk of dot grid pages and 5 grid pages. Now, I'm a big note taker in my planners, so these are perfect for me. It's kind of like a journal and a planner all in one. And it's a creative journal, of course. What I haven't checked is if the disc can come off and be refilled, but I'll keep you updated on that, and I'm going to test that out. But I just want you guys to check this out. Again, it's Top Flight. I got this at Meijer for $30.